Here's an example. Say, I want to improve my communication skills by talking to you. You have to analyze my responses and suggest improvements, and most importantly, guide me on how to get better. Guys, this app literally talks to you.
I have tried everything: grammar guides, novels, hours of reading, but still I'm struggling to speak English. Why? My wallet is empty, but my English has not improved yet. I have spent too much on things that just don't work.
Ever wished you had a personal assistant to help you improve your communication skills while working on your daily tasks? While with Microsoft Copilot, your wish is about to come true. As always, here's a bonus tip as well. So make sure you watch the entire video. So without any delay, let's jump in. So you do not need any friend or a Twitter. Copilot has got you covered. Wow. Unlike ChatGPT, Copilot does not need a separate app to use. You can use it directly from your laptop or PC. Guys, ChatGPT cannot speak, but Copilot can speak. What else do you need? Huh? It's right there, ready to assist you with real-time information from the internet. One of the biggest advantages of Copilot is its ability to fetch the latest information from the internet, unlike ChatGPT, which has only access to data up to September 2021. Guys, if you are really liking this video, give it a thumbs up. It really motivates me to create more content like this. Let me tell you the best part. Copilot isn't about just writing. It's an excellent tool to improve your speaking and listening skills. After you record and send a voice note to Copilot, it responds by speaking in English, enhancing your listening and speaking skills. You can improve your pronunciation, expand your vocabulary, and boost your overall communication skills. Imagine having a conversation with a native speaker. Copilot prepares you for that. By conversing in English with Copilot and listening to its responses, you will gain the confidence and skills to speak with native English speakers easily. It's like having a native speaker at your fingertips. You don't need an account to use Copilot unless you want to save your conversation history. It's incredibly easy to use. Just go to Microsoft Copilot, tap on the voice option, and start recording. As I discussed in my last video about how ChatGPT can help you improve your communication skills. Now let's test Copilot. Let me show you how it works. Simply go to Microsoft Copilot and tap on the voice option. Here's an example. Say, I want to improve my communication skills by talking to you. So propose a comprehensive plan on how I can go about it. We can discuss everyday routine chores, converse on various topics, or you can propose a short story that I'll read aloud. What you have to do, you have to analyze my responses and suggest improvements, and most importantly, guide me on how to get better. You can even ask Copilot to discuss some case studies or scenarios, assess your responses, or engage in a collaborative story writing exercise. Guys, believe me, this story writing exercise is the best thing or best way that you can opt for in order to improve your communication skills. In this scenario, Copilot will initiate a story. It will add some lines, and then you have to add some lines. You have to continue this back and forth approach until you feel like it's enough for today or you are satisfied. But remember, consistency is very, very important in this stage if you literally want to improve your communication skills. Now let's move on to the bonus tip. If you want to improve your pronunciation skills, here is an easy hack. Watch a YouTube video of any native English speaker but in segments. Watch for 1 minute, pause, and try to speak out in the same accent and style. Record yourself while you are speaking out, and you have to practice this approach for a few days. You will see the change. This method has helped many people struggling with their communication skills. Lastly, visit Microsoft Copilot and take the first step towards mastering English language. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.